showing you a place where butterflies first spread their wings. A visit, a butterfly rancher, is a trip which is absolutely Alabama.
If you are injured in a car wreck, you will have questions.
You will have questions, and I will have the answers. Call me right now.
How much would it cost to speak to an attorney today?
We never charge for an initial consultation. Call me right now to discuss your car wreck.
At Honda of Jasper, when we say clearance, we mean everything. Accords, Civics, Odysseys, Pilots, CRVs, and Cross Tours. The award-winning 13 Accords, clearance priced at $239 a month. 35 CRVs with 0.9% 60-month financing. 8-passenger Pilots starting at just $299 a month. A 38-mile-per-gallon Civics loaded with amenities, $169 a month. During the model year in clearance at Honda of Jasper, Highway 78 in Jasper, or on the web at hondaofjasper.com.
The Chocolate Block Restaurant and Butcher Shop, a unique dining experience new to the Birmingham area, is now open, featuring all natural meats, hand-cut daily in our local butcher shop. Great for mom in the kitchen and dad on the grill. Special orders always welcome. Relax in our restaurant and enjoy some of our delicious food and great service in a family atmosphere. All our meats are cooked fresh daily. Vegetables, fresh and local and available. Visit us on Facebook and read our great reviews. I-59, exit 154. Look for the big red ribbon.
Deals, and more deals. If you need flooring or cabinets, you won't find more inventory and lower prices anywhere. Ceramic tile starting at 69 cents per square foot. Hardwood from $1.49 per square foot. We've got carpet starting as low as 49 cents per square foot. Need cabinets? We've got 10 by 10 kitchen cabinets under $1,300. Come in now and save big. Floor Source Supercenter. Largest inventory, lowest prices.
I'm ready to get my case started today. What do I have to do?
Just call me, Alexander Shinara, and I'll get started working for you right now. If you have questions about your car wreck, I have the answers. Call me. I'm Alexander Shinara, and I will go to work for you today.
Anytime you're talking to someone and you need a subject, just mention what you do, and that works out good. My family likes Butterfly Rancher. They think that sounds better. Technically, I like to call myself a leftover zoologist. There's just about, I don't know, a couple dozen butterfly farmers in the whole country. And I think most of them are like me. They got into it because of their own natural inclination towards that direction.